Let's talk about layers and groups. Inside Photoshop, right panel is dedicated to layers and different filters. To create a new layer, you can create a small Create New Layer icon. Next to layer creation, we have group creation icon. Click on that, and group 1 will create inside the layer panel. Let's understand the layers first. Click on layer 1 and paint any color which one you like using brush tool. To increase the brush size, press open square bracket. To decrease the size, close square bracket. Next, paint the color. Create a new layer and do the same with another color. Now you have two painted color layer. Now if you change the color order by dragging, you will notice front color is going into the background. This is the basic fundamental of layers. Now you can select both the layers using Shift plus Select and drag these layers into the group so that you have all color layers inside the group 1. Next to the group icon, we have adjustment layers, which we'll use to correct images and add different filters. Select the solid color from this menu and select the color. You will notice along with color, we have one other rectangle came into the layer panel, which is mask. Mask is used to hide/unhide image data without erasing the source image. Click on mask. Select the brush tool. Mask only works with white and black color. If you paint areas using black color, this will hide those areas only, and from white-wise will unhide the area. To change between black and white, you can press X on keyboard, which will change the colors.